Akumlup Kangleipak alleges Agriculture Department of illegal hoarding of urea for selling in the black market. A combined team of Imphal East Police nabbed Ketrigao Gram Panchayat member in possession of contraband drugs early this morning. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam assures to continue defending integrity of the state despite various restrictions being imposed. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee urges state government to send recommendation to the Center for Inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list by September 15. Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah assures of converting Technopole district headquarters into a tourist center. And Chief Minister Biren opens the first ever Northeast India Executive Council meeting of Association of Surgeons of India, ASI in Imphal. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News, and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. Akumlup Kangleipak has alleged the Agriculture Department of illegal hoarding of urea fertilizers to be sold in the black market. The association implied suspicion that the department is complicit collaboration with some private dealers are circulating urea at high rates. A team led by President in charge of Akumlup Kangleipak, Sanjit Soraisam, recovered huge stock of urea fertilizers at a chicken feed center in Samuro Kaithelkol Public Chicken Center and at a shop at Wangoi Kaithelkol RS Agrochemist House. The chicken center still has 15 bags of urea in stock. The receipt uncovered during association's drive contained a seal of Lumfel Godown signed by an official of the Agriculture Department, and according to it, an individual identified as H. Premji reportedly sold the urea to RS Agrochemist House. The receipt dated July 5th this year also disclosed the information that the shop purchased 100 bags of urea at 29,547 rupees. Speaking to media persons at a Akumlup Kangleipak office in Lumfelpad, Sanjit warned of taking actions against all those involved if the government and department concerned fail to take adequate measures against them without further delay.
Hai Premjit haiba Samurodagi Nipasina Harbek Chama Yolambagi Akogi Government of Manipur Department of Agriculture Office dagi Mokoina receipt roga kaga Maunde Yolambani Haiba Potuma Equida Mana Tai Haitare Masiki Cheji Equida Uli Aduna Aquina Makata Aquina Hygienidi Akogi Masi Sugumba Black Taure Black Lady Taure Haiba Pose Sapsana Praman Fange Adu Taragadi Makata Pada Gomena Masi FIR Lons Torokan the Makoi Singasi Parka Doribra Natraga Masi Akogi Saitagi di Masi Black Toriba Singasi Matik Chaba Dandi Pangalu Haibasi Koi Tamjanini Natragadi Gomena Togragadi Akomuna Ladiba Akogi Ladiba Labang Miam Sigo Puna Chamina Kanda Black Toriba Singasi Sapsana Makoi Matata Angi Mating Lorokanda Tijangani Haibasima Tamjani.
A combined team of Imphal East Police under the supervision of SP Imphal East, Megha Chandra, apprehended a Gram Panchayat member in possession of contraband drugs, heroin number 4 and WY tablets early this morning. The team led by additional SP Imphal East, Mutum Kumar, including NAB Police, Civil Police, Women Police, DSP and OC Commando nabbed the culprit during a search operation in Khergao Yumkhaibam Makhalaikai in Ketrigao constituency. The arrested woman is identified as Toibi from Khergao Yumkhaibam Makhalaikai, a member of 11/5 Ketrigao Gram Panchayat Part 2 Ward number 4. Toibi is under police custody for further investigation. Drug havens in the area were also reportedly destroyed by the team during the operation conducted early this morning around 2.
ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯪꯕꯅꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯎꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯅꯥ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯐꯥꯕꯒ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯁꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯒꯧꯍꯥꯇꯤ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯄꯤꯛꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯆꯩꯔꯥꯛ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ.
Prescribed group Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release urged the people of the state to follow the ideals of Hizam Irawat to attain absolute freedom and welfare of society. The party further urged to introspect on the ideologies of Hizam Irawat during the month-long 122nd birth anniversary observance of the pioneer. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam has assured that despite various restrictions imposed, he will continue to defend the integrity of the state. He was responding to media persons at his quarter in Babupara today at the sidelines of the restrictions imposed upon Naga legislators jointly by United Naga Council, UNC and Naga Hoho. Gaikangam mentioned that such restrictions are not new and gave his assurances to continue discharging his responsibilities as a political leader despite the restrictions.
Vidan Sabha member Muina, Manipur Kahin Bayadi, Manipur Apunas, Saktam se, Swan Bayadi, Havidi Agi, right Agi Odikani Kanji. And the Madam Aina member Ojadipsi, Manipur Assembly member Nevako, Nagaland is not the Tripura is not the Assam is not the Hajariba. And the Agi Aina top as a member of the House, as a citizen of the Manipur state. Aina let me sustain Nanjari report as I depanga landi hadana Hajabawani and me ama against that and pro against that and Nanjabanati provoke Togjabanati hadana.
Speaking further, former Deputy Chief Minister called the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement a time bomb. He highlighted the ambiguous nature of the agreement and called for all the political parties, irrespective of ruling or opposition, to unitedly strive to safeguard the state. Lamenting that the party's genuine concerns over the issue are taken as political attacks, being in the opposition party, Gaikangam called the ruling government a totalitarian form of government. On the other hand, he also questioned the BJP-led state government what concrete works it has done which the Congress failed to do in its 15 years of rule in the state.
BJP party now the BJP ki sarkar sina mane pai ningai leitre haiba means makoi khangi haibani khanglabade karigi adu yam kuina lot piri bano Raja Singh Sibu, Otlaga, Mipain Halaga, Nungaido, Lovi Carigino. Rahamota, Hydok Piu, and quite a demand of Zavani. Other Zikti questions at Saint Story. Lord Piri was a Carigino. Haniga Sarkana, look East Police Makata, excellent plan. Amashemaga, Kanoga, Pitarak, Sentang Mayamse, scheme program Yamse, Loina Utai Grab, Taktat Karab. Aduga, Egg East Police, Haribado, Madu, Kari Atano. Egg is Uramdre, kill is Uramaba. Not is the wipe out of Bagi, Mutat Bagi, Hatok Bagi program and Satarabadona Tobase, Live Activity.
People of Wangbal, Kongnangkong in Taubal district extended solidarity to the ongoing agitations by United Committee Manipur UCM against extension of Article 371, Clause A and the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution in Manipur. People in the area along with members of Maira Paibi and local bodies staged a sit-in today against the same. Taking part in the protest meet, UCM President Sunil Karam asserted that the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement signed between Indian government and NSC and IM should not harm the territorial integrity of Manipur. He alleged the Indian government of playing separatist politics in trying to grant special status category to one group in suppression of another. Members of Uyal and Wangbal Maira Paibi Apunbalup and local bodies took part in the protests. A combined team of Jiribam Police Commando, including women personnel, caught 23 persons, including 2 girls without proper identification documents, trying to sneak into the state. As a part of its ongoing drives to curb influx of illegal migrants in the state, the team conducted a drive at Jiribam railway station and checked passengers on board a train coming from Assam. They apprehended individuals without train tickets and identification documents were sent back on board the same train. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur has urged the state government to submit an appropriate recommendation to the central government for inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution latest by September 15, failing which the committee has warned of halting the construction of Ziri-Tupul Railway Road from September 16. The committee also strongly condemned restrictions imposed by Assam regarding inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, Working President of ST Demand Committee, Moirangthem Nongdalen Khomba, said the committee has intimated the state government on various occasions to send an appropriate recommendation to the Centre for inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list as per the Indian Constitution's Article 342 Clause 1. However, the government remains indifferent to their pleas. Nongdalen Khomba also mentioned that Assam, an organization formed by some youth, imposed restrictions regarding the inclusion due to ignorance. He asserted that demand to include Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list is a reasonable demand. The working president maintained that rights of other tribal communities will remain secured even with the inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list. Members of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur and Coordinating Committee on Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur were present during the press meet.
Assam haibido angang majagi organization ni constitution par khangdamni aiga thiner view constitution ni phaktung lasi constitution ni matuna kan demand tobani constitution na yadaba dudi mogi raite akhoi mogi right lepe yate akhoi right moni lepe yate fundamental rights and duty khangdabani moi khangda harimni encourage settlement of international dispute by arbitration na unit declaration layaba madui matuna khaneraga judgment logsaba madu tholodi moi yaro ba chen view moi khangda harimni ma loroi akhoi moi da yete akhoi matu yenda no one akhoi right yet pe yaro wari sabani na matam khara lepe hona sani wari sabdu yadamina akhoi action je hanubani moi thajidina hanubagi na ha kyam lage do handuk dikhangani aba.
The High Court of Manipur has intimated the state government to submit a detailed report regarding appointment of a chairman and a second member of Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC by September 10th. Human rights activist Dr. Thiyam Suresh intimated the same to media persons at Manipur Press Club today. He said Chief Justice, High Court of Manipur Ramalingam Sudhakar and Justice K.H. Nobin played a pivotal role in reviving MHRC, which remained non-functional for the past many years. Dr. Thiyam Suresh intimated that as a petitioner, he filed a PIL at the court to revive the commission, which remained non-operational since May 2014. He said after a contempt case filed in April this year, a joint bench of Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudhakar and Justice K.H. Nobin, which with rejoinder from the Advocate General of the High Court of Manipur, issued a verdict to notify the state government to submit the detailed report by September 10th. He also mentioned that the state government had issued a notification on August 28 to appoint Senior Advocate Khaidam Mani as member and chairperson in charge of MHRC until a new chairperson is appointed.
Chairman Chidi High Court ki Chief Justice oirambar retire to bomna oigadaba. Second member sina High Court ki judge oima natraga session judge da sei teret experience leiba mi oigadaba. Ana Manipur de adu amta play taba ko. Adu mapane ki lowi kholi koi try to wi kholi adu phangdan to bani ne jina phajana komi ko ma so. Adu Chief Justice ni amta khali na tawi hani se kamai tawi no yati chuk kari no sukoi no wak to drabo mari Manipur yo no yam kan ngang bi ko. Sukoi no wak to drabo ji bawo no ne liti to de phangde se no method of trial se no kari no to what action you have taken madu I modu ullo ya reprieve mai mo piu ga ma takna na yang kan to re ko Chief Justice ko ai je mai sadi commissar ma se matam changi ko li ya den to bune de ko tolop su hengale ga ma se phajam mong to yam chat ko mi ko.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Biren has stated that Manipur Human Rights Commission has appointed its Information Commissioner following the appointment of acting chairman. He further assured that name and details of the official will be disclosed soon. The Chief Minister made the statement during an executive meeting of Association of Surgeons of India at Hotel Classic Grande today. He maintained that as per the rules, the recently appointed chairman in charge will start executing his duties. Responding to media queries on implementation of 7th pay commission in the state, the Chief Minister said the pay will be enforced from 2020 according to principle. However, the government will give all our efforts to implement the same at the earliest.
As per the rules, one man, he has been given the acting chairman and he can continue the job. In the meantime, I am looking for the other members also. And today, Information Commissioner 2 has been appointed. Their name also shortly coming out. We have already decided 7 pay commission in principle. We agreed and that has been fixed. It will be implemented by 2020. And now the preparation is actively on.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah visited Technopole district headquarters and interacted with the locals and took stock of various inadequacies in the district. She assured the villagers that efforts will be on to transform Technopole district headquarters into a tourist center and urged them to keep the district neat and clean. Representatives of Technopole Kuki Chief Association, Mori Block Kuki Chief Association, KSO Technopole, Kuki Women Union and Human Rights Technopole, leaders of CSOs and village chiefs met with the governor. Kuki Chief Association Technopole District and KSO Technopole District jointly submitted a memorandum on the occasion to the governor demanding adequate infrastructure for Technopole District. Dr. Najma assured to look into the matter in depth and take adequate measures at the earliest. DC, SP and DIG of Technopole District, members of BJP Manipur Pradesh and government officials were present on the occasion.
That most of the time people don't, in the valley or maybe in Delhi, they don't realize the problems of the people living here. There are issues which are pending regarding administration, regarding development, and see what can be done immediately and what we can do at a later stage, making the plan for the implementation of those issues.
The road leading to Ka Manipur College, also popularly known as Veterinary Pareng, is in a deplorable condition following the 2017 flood. Inhabitants of the area has repeatedly submitted their complaints and urged to the relevant authorities to repair the road. However, no positive actions are taken till date. Speaking to media persons in this regard, M. Ghanashyam, a local resident, also stated that Litan Bridge built over Sekmai River is in a deplorable condition. On the other hand, Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, MSDMA Adim Pamai, has closely inspected Veterinary Road and assured of approaching the relevant authorities to reconstruct the road at the earliest.
Thongase hana wachena sarga lermane adu khoina kitang phana bai dongta khoina mo ubak na torga semdok chare adu ubak ki sisu ising chawr kanda di singmai river yam thuna ising je chawkhalak banina am athubu matam da chawkhalak banina khoi yam toina tatpagi khudong thengna base yam toina thengnare awa ana yam toin thengnare adu masi asopan yaudringai da khoi gi asina mi sokpapan ba yaudringai da authority singna mari leina authority singna khara phajaba mong dam tang semjin binaba appeal tawjari.
Damage of the culvert near Technopole Police Station has eroded National Highway 102 Imphal Mori Road. Speaking to Impact News, President of Kuki Student Organization KSO Technopole District, Thangboy Hongdem, urged the department concerned to repair the road, failing which want of ban on transportation of goods on the road. He further drew attention of the government to repair the road connecting Technopole and Shita village, which has remained ignored for over 20 years.
Media khutang sida concern authority na silambi se ingsin binaba taksili aduga More Road National Highway si near Technopole Police Station the lambi kintha dun lairi asi lambi se hena ka hena kin thara di highway more imphal se cut off oigadaba maramna concern authority na si thuba matam da yingsin bio natraga di student organization jina mayam gi khallaga heavy vehicle chain ba thingni.
A 19-year-old girl from Singjamai Chingamaka, currently residing at Hatta Golapati, is reportedly missing since August 27. The girl, identified as Moirang Thembijenti, daughter of Bishorjit, left her house wearing a salwar kameez on August 27 at 3:30 p.m. She is 4 feet 5 inch tall and whitish in complexion. If anyone knows her whereabouts, kindly contact at mobile numbers 9862008508, 7085200769 and 7005102069 or report at Porompat Police Station immediately. A child in conflict with Low CCL who fled from a team of Lilong Police Station as he was brought for bone ossification test in X-ray department of Janims on August 29 has surrendered to police. The juvenile was handed over to SP Thaubal by former Jila Parishad of Lilong constituency Mohammad Abdul Salam yesterday in the afternoon. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on International Overdose Awareness Day observance. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Social Awareness Service Organization SASO observed International Overdose Awareness Day at Manipur Press Club today. SASO has reported 220 cases of opioid overdose in the state from 2016 to August 2018, out of which 7 died. As per the report, the highest overdose cases in the state for period between 2004 and 2018 was recorded at 421 in 2011. Speaking in the event, Joint Secretary of Manipur AIDS Control Society MAGS, A. Radha Binod, appealed to value life. People who died or sustained permanent injury due to opioid overdose were remembered, and opioid overdose survivors were felicitated on the occasion. The first ever Northeast India Executive Council meeting of Association of Surgeons of India ASI was convened in Imphal today. Taking part in the opening ceremony of two-day-long meeting, Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has appealed to include small states like Manipur as a full-fledged members of the Association of Surgeons of India. Association of Surgeons of India Manipur chapter organized a meet at Imperial Hall of Hotel Classic Grande in Chingmairong. Biren also lauded ASI for all its initiatives. Taking part in the event, Chief Secretary Dr. Suresh Babu expressed hope that ASI will initiate various other measures to take away inconveniences faced during medical treatment.
I have learned that ASI Manipur State Chapter is not a full-fledged member of Executive Council, but a co-opted member because of lack of numbers. I appeal to you to examine ways so that smaller state like Manipur can become a full-fledged member. I hope the decision taken here will be immense value to the whole of India. I also hope you will have time to enjoy the beautiful greenery paddy fields, the mesmerizing Loktak Lake, the dancing Shanghai, and also the unique food and the culture of Manipur.
Somewhere the corporate sectors also have to come forward to understand the gaps. Most of the hospitals are located in a town, in a district level, in a taluk level hospitals. But most of the rural India is still not served.
Speaking at the sidelines, President of Association of Surgeons of India, ASI, Dilip Gore, stated that ASI has been enlightening medical students and those in medical field, and it has even provided surgical facilities in remote areas. Chairman of the Association of Surgeons of India, ASI Manipur chapter, Dr. Kundong Bampalin, said the meeting will discuss in depth on various future undertakings of the association. He also mentioned as a part of the ASI's undertakings, various surgeries were performed for the first time in Manipur at Tamenglong district.
ASI is basically, very keen on not only on medical education, but also trying to help, trying to provide services to those who cannot afford surgical facilities. So we would like to go to those places where the surgery has become non-affordable and inaccessible.
Association of Surgeons India ki rural surgery camp haina tongan madugi program lei madugi tongan fund lei adugi matung manung dani khoina Tamenglong da laparoscopic surgery ne open surgery ne punna 53 ne pangtui do adu manung try pan amadi ki whole surgery ni punsigi adai damuk ta tawdriba mafam du phangdri pon ngak tani hai poji khujug lai loi pura ga khoi member mayam sala tawrobani samaina state khuding maki tonga tonga ba magi interior da rural area da operation tawnabagi sigi facilities hi dum loina lebu ngak Manipur gi haure free of cost ni khoi hida langthak loina puraga khoi cost pana
Manipur Postal Division Imphal conducted a written quiz competition for students at Divisional Post Office Imphal today. Selected students will be eligible for Philately Scholarship Scheme, Deen Dayal Sparsh Yojana. Speaking at a sideline, Superintendent of the Post Office, K.I. Singh, said that the scholarship aims to generate interest regarding philately amongst students. He said eligible students will be given 6,000 rupees per annum scholarship under the scheme. K.I. Singh intimated that the second round of the competition will be held soon. Altogether, 73 students of Class 6 to Class 9 participated in the first round of the competition. Agriculture Technology Management Agency Imphal West organized a one-day district-level agriculture fair at Ibudho, Kunjauba Lai Harau Phom Sanglen in Malom Tuli held today. Farmers from various places of the district opened altogether 20 stalls and displayed various agricultural products at the fair. Speaking to media persons, Project Director of the agency, Athokpam Nabakumar, stated that the fair was organized to encourage farmers to enhance productions to double their income. He stressed the need to focus on farmers and boost productions, especially in a state like Manipur where industrial infrastructures are inadequate. Assuring the department concerned will supply necessary assistance, Nabakumar urged educated youths not to solely depend on government jobs but to undertake poultry and dairy farming to be self-reliant. He also assured that productive farmers with the highest produce will get an opportunity to take part in the state-level agriculture fair in near future.
अकोई फार्मर ना इनकम डबल कमाई तो ओइगदा की हाबी पांदम दा डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल डिस्ट्रिक्ट की मनुंग द लाइबा फार्मर मयाम की कमीशन तौबा अमरम तो कमीशन तौबा हाय तारे माय मे टैलेंट हाई सिंग मयाम द उथोगा मागी अफबा मागी एक्सपर्ट मागी हाइजाबा कनोदुना मयाम द मतौ तमगा मथम दंग दबन कमाई तबले गानु लोइबा ये लोइबा करम न लोइरगे हारगा मागी इनकम डबल इनकम फंगदा के हाबी मयाम द The
3-day-long 9 Sirarakong Chili Festival, which commenced on August 29th at Sirarakong Village in Nukrul District, concluded today. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam and Project Director of Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA K. Devdatta and many eminent personalities attended the closing ceremony of the festival. Speaking on the occasion, K. Devdatta maintained that Hathai chili indigenous to Sirarakong will be labelled with geotag in order to prevent any other countries from claiming the chili as their own. Minister T.H. Radheshyam asserted that the festival will strengthen unity among different communities of the state. Metal Scrap Trade Corporation MSTC Limited organized a one-day workshop on unlocking value through commerce and supporting agri-horti sector through e-Rakam today. Entrepreneurs of the state attended a workshop held at Sangai Hall Hotel Imphal. The workshop was organized with an objective to promote horticultural and agricultural products of Manipur to other states of India and abroad through e-commerce. Officials of MSTC, including representatives of Northeastern Regional Agricultural Marketing Corporation Limited, NERAMAC, discussed at length on ways to overcome inadequacies such as lack of primary processing unit and deplorable road conditions of the state, hindering promotion of agriculture and horticulture produce of the state. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Managerial Director of MSTC, B.B. Singh, stated that the workshop was held to facilitate sale and export of horticulture and agricultural produce of Manipur to other states. Taking part in the event, Minister of the State for Steel and Mines, Bishnu Dio Sai, urged entrepreneurs to seize the opportunity provided for promotion and expansion of products from the northeast states in the international market.
मुझे विश्वास है कि यह कार्यशाला भाग लेने वालों के लिए प्रोत्साहनवर्धक होगा और लाभदायक होगा। और अंत में आप लोगों को अवगत कराना चाहूँगा कि कल शाम को हम लोगों की मुलाकात यहाँ के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से हुई है और उनकी भी इस दिशा में बड़ी सकारात्मक सोच है, जिसका भी लाभ इस प्रदेश को मिलेगा। और हमारे सीएमडी एमएसटीसी यहाँ पर मौजूद होंगे। आगे आप लोगों को किसी भी तरह का कोई प्रश्न होगा या कोई शंका समाधान करना होगा तो उनसे आप सब प्रश्न कर सकेंगे।
Major General of Inspector General Assam Rifles South Virendra Singh along with the IG designate Major General KP Singh YSM called on Chief Minister N. Biren at CM Secretariat on August 30th. During the meeting, the general officers discussed the security and law and order situation in the state with the Chief Minister and assured him of the Assam Rifles' commitment to work towards bringing lasting peace in the region. They also highlighted initiatives of Assam Rifles and civil administration for maintaining peace, empowering of children, women and youth of the state to attain financial sustainability and its concerted effort towards harnessing the immense talent available in the state in an array of different sporting activities and in the field of art and literature. The close coordination and interaction between the state government and security forces was also highlighted and well appreciated by both the Chief Minister and the military generals. Salai Holdings Private Limited and Northeast India Development Party NEIDP in separate press releases conveyed their greetings ahead of the 121st birth anniversary of Ahal Ibungo Nauria Pulo on September 2nd. Uripok Nupi Apunba Lub Unal donated food items, clothing and toiletries to children of Poire Nawakon Children Home at Koirenga, Imphal East in relation to its third foundation day today. Speaking to media persons, convener of UNAL, Oinam Ombi Roshita, assured to continue extending assistance for the orphans.
Uripo Pumba Nupi Lubna, Tashena, Kanala Jadraba, Lebok Kudong Tiba Kayadegi, Mama Mapakaina Dunlairaba, Nupi active or home chida, a quick foundation, dear Sika Marie Lenana. Mama Moina, Nasi, Aquina, Nawakon Haiba, Quering a delibasida, Garigumba, Isasin the Mokta Aquina, Foundation, dear Sika Marie Lenana, when the Kudol Kalatam Zenimba.
Secretary of Manipur Squash Rackets Association in a press release informed that Sub-Junior and Junior Squash National Championship will be held at Jaipur from October 28th till November 3rd. The association will conduct selection trials for taking part in the championship at Sainik School Squash Court on September 2nd at 8 a.m. Interested boys and girls are informed to submit relevant documents. And before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Akomlup Kanglaipak alleges Agriculture Department of illegal hoarding of urea for selling in the black market. A combined team of Imphal East Police NAB, Khetrigao Gram Panchayat member in possession of contraband drugs early this morning. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam assures to continue defending integrity of the state despite various restrictions being imposed. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee urges state government to send recommendation to the Center for Inclusion of Maitai community in the Scheduled Tribe list by September 15. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah assures of converting Technopole district headquarters into a tourist centre. And Chief Minister Biren opens the first ever Northeast India Executive Council meeting of Association of Surgeons of India, ASI in Imphal.